Just in time for summer, 1993 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. One of the 40th anniversary cars with the anniversary paint. Nice looking car, called a nice driver quality. A little over 50,000 miles on it. When I get around to the driver's door, we'll open her up. I'll start it up so you can hear it, check out the miles. But as you can see, the front's not, for the miles that are on it, I'd say it's in very nice shape. The front's not all rock chipped or scratched up or anything like that. So paint's got a nice luster to it. Paint's in decent shape. You'll find some imperfections here and there around it. I think there's one on the other side. I'll show you up where the top goes down. So not perfect, but very, very nice. You can see that's the rafters to our ceiling fan. So you can see you get a nice luster off the paint. Leather's in nice shape. So there's a little bit of wear in the bolster going in the driver's side, but other than that, again, very nice shape, and you can tell it's well taken care of for the miles. Check out the passenger seat there. Carpeting, floor mats, nice shape. The plastic down underneath them. Here's, of course, where they wear a little bit, where the top goes against the paint in the back. Top is in a nice shape also. It's actually got a new top on it. Feel free to check out the still pictures so you can see the top, the engine bay, the little luggage compartment behind the seats. Those pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Or feel free to give us a call if you have any questions, like to inquire about it, maybe wondering about shipping. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Come around and show you the paint in the rear, but again, that's a reflection from the ceiling, majority of it. Few just little nicks and scratches back by the gas door. Again, qualified a nice driver quality, fun summer top-down convertible. Slip around here. Check out the door cards, kind of work with the glare from the sun this morning. Should driver's seat, a little bit of wear, but no rips or tears or holes or anything like that. As you can see, it is an automatic. Let's go ahead and start this up, check out the miles. 55,913. Stereo system is Bose in it. Dash is in good shape. Power seats both sides. This one's powered by the 5.7 liter V8, of course. As you can hear, no crazy exhaust, anything like that. Pretty much stock sounding. Again, check out the still pictures. You can see the underside, engine bay. See how clean this car is. Unique Classic Cars, you can check those out. And of course, feel free to give us a call with any questions or wondering about transportation and getting this car to you. 507-386-1726, 1993 Chevrolet Corvette convertible, anniversary series.